Vapour barriered the back half of the van, completed the side panel. Then later on this afternoon, as the sun comes round the front to heat the roof up so the sticky pads for the air vents are warm and help seal the skylights. So it's coming along. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for looking at my videos.